Alright guys, here with Photocycling here, back with another video. This is an unboxing of my first lens that's not part of the camera kit. So what I've got here is an RF mount lens, 24 to 70 millimeter f2.8. I also bought a filter to go with it too. So yeah, I've been wanting a 24 to 70 RF mount lens, or just a 24 to 70 lens in general. I didn't know if I was gonna want to get a 2.0 or a 2.8, but I think 2.8 is gonna be perfectly fine for what I do. And this would be my second lens because my first lens came with the kit. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what it looks like. Those of you who have not seen my channel, I have a Canon R6, so mirrorless camera. So this lens should go well with an R6. Cannot wait to see what this looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. Christmas in April. Alright, here we go. Just came in today. Just got home from work. Oh my goodness. There it is. First things first, here is the filter. That filter is super nice. Alright, let's go ahead and open the lens. This box is huge. A lot bigger than I was expecting. Oh my god, alright, let's move the other box out of the way. There we go. And what we've got in here is the packing slip. There we go. Alright. We don't need that. Oh, that is beautiful. Canon. We got right there. It is made in Japan, guys. Made in Japan. Woohoo! That is nice right there. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and crack this open. First things first, we are greeted with USA and Canada only. There we go. Record of Canon purchase. Wow. This has limited warranty, serial number and all that jazz. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fill that out and send that in. So first things first, this looks like it's the case for it. So it's got like this faux leather. This piece is made in Vietnam. That's interesting. And then we got this right here, the pouch itself. So it folds down like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's the first piece. And then we got this, looks like it's a lens instructions. Well, that's a first. Alright. We're gonna open the lens here. Okay, we're gonna get the rest of this open here. Boom. So first we are greeted with a styrofoam. I am not sure how to get this thing out. So we're just gonna flip it over like this. And let it come out like this. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright. And there's the rest of the box. Just a styrofoam. There's the other cardboard piece. And here's the lens. Holy smokes, this lens is huge. I'll go ahead and take pictures of it after I get the lens on. But there it is. There is the hood for the lens. And here's the lens itself. My lord, that is one fine piece of glass, let me tell you. This is the most expensive piece of glass I've purchased. It's so gorgeous, I can stare at it. Wow. So we're gonna open this up. There's the mount. Okay. It's gotta go on right hand. Okay. Okay, let's oh my God, Jesus Christ. It does not take a rocket science to do this hand. Okay, that's on. And there it is. This is one heavy piece of glass. Holy smokes, this lens is gorgeous. Alright, let's get the filter and put it on and see how that looks. We're gonna go ahead and put this down right on the phone, like that. So here is the filter. Oh my God, this is so flipping awesome. So flipping awesome. Open this in, open this in, open this in. We're gonna push it out, just like that. Get the filter out. There we go. God, this filter has a case. Oh my God, it has a fancy case that I don't know how to open. Well, it's called beginner photography for a reason, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna press it, I think. There we go. Press it open, and there's the filter. There we go. Take that off. And this filter goes on. Oh, that is gorgeous. We're gonna go ahead and put the filter right on there. So yeah, so I purchased this because I am taking this camera. Oh, and the filter is also made in Japan. So you guys want to see that? Yep. I am going to be going to Utah in 2 days, and I'm so glad this lens came in just 2 days before my trip. So yeah, I am going to take this camera to Utah in 2 days here, and I'm going to be going to Bryce Canyon, Zion National Forest, and I'm going to be taking a ton of photos with the R6 and this lens. And we're going to go ahead and do that right there. Oh yeah. And it is on. And there it is. There's the filter. It is on. Oh yes. I'm going to put the cap back on, and it fits perfect. So yeah, so now it's got the Zeiss UV filter on there now with the lens, both made in Japan. Super stoked about that. And there it is. There's the unboxing of the 24 to 70 mil zoom lens with an aperture of 2.8, and this is the case for the filter. So I'll be heading out to Utah in 2 days here. Alright, that's the unboxing. I'll talk to you guys later. Have fun. Peace.